Hello guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can complete the Swimming Narwhal Quest in Fish It Roblox. So first, to start the quest in here, you need to go to the Kohana Island and found the NPC first. So let's go up in here from the dock until you found the narwhal NPC. So you can just talk to him and click on swimming narwhals in here. Now what you need to do, there are two missions. The first one is catch 150 fish, and the last one is fish up one narwhal. So this is an epic tire fish, and you can found it on the ocean. This one in here. So just catch one narwhal, and after that you can complete the quest. And that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Also click on the thanks.